So most of you right now are geared towards are gearing up to prepare for the 6 weeks exams. Okay, so my job right now is we're going to do a little bit of review. Okay, see if we can't clarify a few of the doubts you might have. So let's go ahead and look at number 1 here. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see it. It's the square root of 32 minus 5 the square root of 2 plus the square root of 8. Now I included this in your Google Classroom, okay, so please go ahead and refer to that page as well. So the first thing you need to do is you need to grab the square roots that are big, like 8 and 32, and break them down. Same to what, Mr. Mian? Into nice squares. Now remember, what are nice squares? Nice squares are square root of 4, square root of 9, square root of 16, square root of 25, square root of 36, etc., etc., right? And try to get the biggest one in there. So for instance, I know that 32 can be broken down into 16 times 2. There we are. And 16 is a nice root. What is the square root of 16? It's 4. So then this is broken down into 4 square root of 2. And look at that. 32 just turns into this 4 square root of 2. On the 5, I can't do anything. That guy's already pretty simplified, so I'm just going to go ahead and bring him down. There we go. 5 square root of 2. Excellent. Notice how these two are the same. Now the square root of 8. Well, that one's not too hard to figure out. 8 can be broken down into 2 times 4. And you know that 4, again, is a nice square root, right? So what is the square root of 4, right? I know there's a little glare there, I apologize. But the square root of 4 is just 2. So this guy turns into 2 square root of 2. There we are. So then all 3 of these turned into 4 square root of 2, 5 square root of 2, and 2 square root of 2. Now when you're combining these, remember that you're just combining the numbers, otherwise known as the coefficients in front. So 4 minus 5 is negative 1, plus 2 is 1. So the final answer is 1 square root of 2, or just square root of 2. Okay, that's it for number 1.